Alright, science benchmark. Number 1. Which diagram best models Earth's rotation causing night and day? A, B, C, or D? Number 2. The energy transformation from the electrical outlet to the fan blade is F, electrical to nuclear, G, radiant to mechanical, H, electrical to mechanical, or J, mechanical to radiant. Number 3. The two stars closest to the Earth are the Sun and Alpha Centauri. The Sun provides the energy that allows for life on Earth. Alpha Centauri cannot provide energy for Earth. A. Due to its very low temperature compared to the Sun. Can you close that door? B. Because it is many light years farther from the Earth than the Sun. C. As it is made up of different gases than the Sun. D. Because it is many times smaller than the Sun. Number 4. In which of the following situation is the object experiencing an unbalanced force? F. An object is moving with a constant speed of 2 meters per second. G. An object accelerates 1 meter per second squared to 2 meters per second squared. H. An object is at rest with 0 speed. J. An object with a mass of 1 kilogram. Number 5. Analyze the diagram of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. Notice that images are not to scale. What type of tides will occur on Earth? A. Spring tides. B. Fall tides. C. No tides. D. Neap tides. Number 6. An astronomy student observed some nebula through a telescope. Which of the following describes what she observed? F. A fixed luminous point in the night sky that is a large, remote, incandescent body like the Sun. G. A system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust, held together by gravitational attraction. H. A region of space having gravitational fields so intense that no matter or radiation can escape. Or J. A cloud of gas and dust in outer space viewed either as an indistant, bright patch or as a dark silhouette against other luminous matter. Number 7. An astronomy student used a spectroscope to document the spectral lines of an unknown object. Line X was taken at the beginning of the study, line Y was taken in the middle of the study, and line Z was taken at the end of the study. Which of the following statements is most likely a conclusion after the student's analysis of the spectral lines? A. The unknown object is moving closer to Earth. B. The unknown object is moving away from the Earth. C. The unknown object is stationary and is moving neither close nor further away from Earth. Or D. It cannot be determined whether the unknown object is moving closer or further away from Earth. Number 8. Astronomy students will conduct an investigation to study the Andromeda Galaxy. In order to be able to study the galaxy as clearly as possible, they will need to see the night sky with 0% illumination from the moon. The investigation should be done F. During the last quarter, G. During the waxing crescent, H. During the full moon, or J. During the new moon. Number 9. A student draws the model shown below. Which of these best compares the conditions at location X and location Y? A. The sun is brighter when viewed from location X than viewed from location Y. B. There are more hours of daylight at location X than location Y. C. It is winter at location X and summer at location Y. D. It is day at location X and night at location Y. Number 10. In 1912, Alfred Wegener wrote about theory of continental drift. It involved the existence of a single massive landmass called Pangaea that may have broken apart into what we associate with the modern landmasses and major continents of today. Which of the following best provides significant evidence to support Wegener's theory? F. Similar climate and weather patterns on continents very remote from each other. G. Fossil evidence of identical species on continental coastal regions of continents separated by oceans. H. Extensive volcanoes present in the Pacific Rim of Fire on both sides of the Pacific Ocean. J. basalt mineral formations found on the west coast of Africa and the east coast of South America. Number 11. An object moves away from a motion detector with a constant speed. Which graph represents the motion of the object? A, B, C, or D? Number 12. Use the topographic map below to answer the following questions. Which of the following is most likely the cause for the Y-shaped feature in the center of the topographic map? F, an uplift. G, a river. H, the wind. Or J, an earthquake. Number 13. The Indian-Australian plate collides with the Eurasian plate. Both are continental plates. Which of the following crustal features is most likely to be located in this area? A, a trench. B, mountains. C, volcanoes. D, ridge. Number 14. The image below depicts a sample of Edwin Hubble's classification scheme of galaxies. It was created to classify galaxies into 4 different types. It was nicknamed the tuning fork diagram for its shape. A student observed a galaxy through a telescope. She described the galaxy as spiral-shaped with bars of stars, dust, and gas across the bulge. Using Hubble's classification scheme of galaxies, which of the following is most likely the type of galaxy that she observed? F, E3, G, SBA, H, E0, or J, S0. Number 15. A researcher was conducting an experiment with an element that reacts like boron but has a greater atomic mass. Which element should be selected for the experiment? A, beryllium. B, carbon. C, aluminum. Or D, silicon. Number 16. The reaction below is describing the combination of methane. According to the law of conservation of mass, how much water is produced? F, 8 grams. G, 18 grams. H, 40 grams. Or J, 62 grams.